Start with the effect, a clean warm line that turns wall panels into ambient architecture. It adds depth to stairs, dining areas, consoles, and living rooms without visual clutter. The strip is made for slim, clean lines in wall panel projects. Use the controller to tune the atmosphere for the room. This is the King Ornan Silicone LED light kit for modern wall panel lighting. The set brings together the strip, power components, controller, connectors, caps, and cables. Now, here is how the kit is prepared before it reaches the wall. Every finished set starts with controlled production steps. First, each strip is measured and cut for a clean, controlled build. Contact points are prepared, wires are placed, and each connection is soldered by hand. Small details here decide how cleanly the kit performs later. The ends are trimmed, capped, and refined to create a neat finished profile. A second pass cleans the profile before testing. The strip is flexed, powered, wiped, and checked again before coiling. After testing, the strip is coiled carefully, inspected, and prepared as a finished roll. Accessories are arranged and packed as a complete set. The kit is sealed, wrapped, and prepared for delivery. In real spaces, the strip becomes a clean line of light. It frames media walls with a warmer, more finished look. From home theaters to bedrooms, the same light changes the mood of the room. King Ornan Silicone LED light kit, clean wall panel glow built step by step.